When you're looking for standard mini split, it's easy to assume they're all just variations of the same white box. But there's a specific tipping point where saving a few dollars today creates a massive headache for you down the road. If you don't understand how these two systems handle the long haul, you're either going to overpay for a badge or end up with a system that can't keep up when you need it most. I'm a former Navy nuclear electrical operator with over 17 years in the HVAC industry. I don't care about the marketing brochures. I care about the build quality, the electrical stability, and how easy it is for me to get a part when you're stuck in a heat wave. Today, we're pitting two completely different approaches to ductless comfort against each other. We have the HEYER Tempo series and the Lennox MWHD Standard series. One is built for high-value accessibility, while the other is designed for homeowners who want the security of a premium dealer network and long-term efficiency. Both of these units are rolling off production lines in China. HEYER is a global powerhouse that specializes in high-volume, reliable tech. Lennox, while also importing this line, brings the weight of a massive North American infrastructure. Both systems are running variable speed inverter compressors. Think of this like a dimmer switch rather than a standard on-off light switch. Instead of the unit slamming on at 100% and cycling constantly, it ramps up and down to match exactly what your room needs. It stays quiet, maintains a steady temp, and is much easier on your electric bill. The HEYER Tempo comes in with an 18.0 SEER rating, while the Lennox MWHD steps up to a 21.5 SEER. That 3.5 point gap isn't just for show. Think of it like MPG for your house. The Lennox is going to be significantly cheaper to run during those long, grueling summer months. Here's where it gets real. The HEYER Tempo averages around $1,058 for the equipment. The Lennox MWHD sits much higher at an average of $3,449. You're paying a serious premium for the Lennox. You have to ask yourself, is the extra efficiency and the dealer-backed support worth triple the price of the HEYER? The HEYER Tempo offers a 10-year parts and compressor warranty. The Lennox MWHD steps it up with a 12-year parts and compressor guarantee. 2 extra years of coverage is a major confidence signal from Lennox, but remember, you're paying for that protection upfront in the purchase price. One pro tip, keep those filters clean. On these high-efficiency systems, even a little dust can restrict airflow enough to cause the indoor coil to ice up. If you see ice, turn it off and let it melt. 9 times out of 10, a clean filter solves the problem before you even have to call me. In a battle of standard series units, the HEYER Tempo is the winner. While the Lennox offers better efficiency and an extra 2 years of warranty, it's nearly impossible to justify paying 3 times the price for it. The HEYER gives you the essential inverter tech and the coil protection you need at a price point that makes sense for a standard install. Shop like a pro. Don't just buy the badge. If you want to see how these stack up against the top tier systems, check out our head-to-head tool.